Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Push Along Race. Our judges today, which won't have to judge, are Kana and Hero. So, Grant, let's get on the round one.
Alright, round one, Thomas versus Bash.
Okay, we'll set them up now. There's Thomas. I'm gonna jump at this part. On your mark, get set, go! First one touch the turntable. Thomas takes the win. Better luck next time, Bash.
And Thomas advances to the next round.
But who will he face? Jiff or Emily? We'll find out.
Emily versus Jiff.
3, 2, 1, go. And it looks like Emily was lost in the shuffle. Rest in peace, Emily.
Oh, we're not using tenders because they'll fly.
Because then, yeah, they're going to fly off or they're going to hold them back. Okay.
Federico and
James. I got Federico here. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, so close, James.
Federico won.
I'm so sorry, James. No.
Loser.
He didn't deserve to lose. Now, Toby, I believe in you. Show this Frederona who's boss. Okay, Grant. Okay, Grant.
2, 1, go.
No, Toby! What happened? You guys gotta stop letting these racers win. Oh my god.
Oh, Gordon.
That's Edward.
Oh, never mind. I can't tell without attention.
Oh, wow. There's such a difference. Edward's taller and push along.
I just grabbed it. I didn't look at the face.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Edward!
Okay, I think that's a redo because you accidentally held on to him.
Yeah, but like, that was so close. Oh my goodness. 3, 2, 1, go. Edward! Oh. Edward wins! Edward wins! Let's go. Take it to the man. Stick it to the Mattel. Okay, now we got Gordon versus Diesel.
Gordon loses this evening.
It's gonna be hilarious.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah, Gordon's won, yeah. Diesel, what happened?
What?
Diesel just stopped. Wait, he turned around. Guys, Diesel turned around on the slope here.
He's trying to be devious.
He's ready to trip up the next one. Percy versus Mia. 3, 2, 1, go. Percy. Job. That was a close one.
Rebecca and Henry. Let's go.
Yeah, we all know who we're rooting for, Henry. Obviously. 3, 2, 1, go.
Rebecca got off to a really slow start. I think he's just so heavy and not airgunning.
Sorry, Rebecca, you're just not good enough.
And we don't like you.
Semifinals.
Thomas.
And Jiff. Come on, Thomas. Show what the number one engine can do. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, Thomas. Come on, Thomas. Yeah! Loser. No one likes you.
Going to the final. Or the semifinals. Wait, what?
The more semifinals.
The more semi of the semifinals.
Now this one, who do you want to win? I kind of want Federico.
Yeah, Federico has a much better name.
Yeah, he's got the better name. Okay, that's it. That's all we decided by. 3.
And he looks cool.
2, 1, go. Frederico won. Sorry, Frederona. Our last All Legends Go Survivor.
Oh, this would have been the quarterfinals. So Edward and Gordon.
This is the quarterfinals.
This is
Okay. Edward versus Gordon. Okay, Gordon. Let's see how real fast you really are. 3.
Hold on. All on the ground. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, Edward just pulls out that win. Also, can you get Casa? Cassia, sorry. Versi versus Henry. Well, we really got rid of all the bad characters.
Let's go, Henry.
Oh, sorry about that, James. Didn't mean didn't mean anything.
And Toby.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Percy pulls it out.
I think the tank Henry's is better. Now we're on the
Besides Edward. Okay, semifinals. Thomas and Frederico. Okay, Thomas, you're the #1 engine. Show us what you can do. 3, 2, 1, go. Thomas! Woohoo!
It's definitely the lighter tank engines. Thomas advancing to the final round.
Mm-hmm.
Edward and Percy.
Let's see this. Okay, Percy, I believe in you. Who are you going for?
Edward.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, where's Percy?
He got lost in the shuffle.
Flipped over.
Oh, he's flipped over in the corner, guys. Zoom in shot. The sadness. Okay, I'm not going to be able to reach Percy.
The #1 and the #2 engine in the final round.
Sorry.
Percy's a loser.
Percy, you did not deserve to die like that.
Edward.
Versus Thomas. And hey, you're rooting for Edward, I'm rooting for Thomas.
Yeah.
So, it works out. Who shall win? 1 or 2?
2.
1. Yeah, Thomas. Woo! Thomas wins and Edward flips. Oh yeah, of course. We already did. Saying. What? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Thomas wins. Thomas wins. Get this trash out of here. Thomas is the #1 engine.
And Edward's the #2.
Thomas has won the competition.
And Henry was...
He's actually
tied for 3rd.
Tied for 3rd. Thomas is the #1 engine. And everyone else lost. So now we might as well race Hero and Kana to end this. Right?
With the tender or without tender?
Without the tender, so it's at least fair. Somewhat fair. End it off with the judges. 3, 2, 1, go.
Of course.
Hero won. It wasn't even, would have been. Everyone thought Hero would win. He's just better. Besides, his push-along model isn't. That thing is still garbage. Anyways, back to you. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this epic push-along duel.
We're really bored.
Yeah. See you guys later. Bye.